Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use watch command in Linux. Watch is an excellent command which can run scripts or command at a regular interval or repeatedly. So for example, I'm going to give you an example which I have taken in the last video, and we have used this free command to know the resources used in our system, right? And if you use watch command, so any command which you use with watch, so I'm going to just write watch before this command, then this command will be executed repeatedly if you use watch before any command, right? So let's just press enter, and you can see after every 2 seconds this command is going to be executed, and you can see the resources used will be changed after 2 seconds. You can see it's changed, right? So by default the command will be executed at an interval of 2 seconds, right? Now if you want to make it faster, we can do it. Just press Ctrl C to come out of this command. So just press Ctrl C and you will come out of this command. Now for example, we want to increase the frequency to execute this command. You can use the flag N and then the number of seconds which you want to provide. So earlier by default it was 2. For example, I want to use 1 second interval, so I can just write -m space 1 and it's going to be executed at an interval of 1 second. So I'm going to press enter once again, and now it's refreshing at a 1 second interval. Okay, now even I can increase this frequency in points also. So what we can do is I'm going to press Ctrl C once again, and instead of 1 second, for example, I want to execute this command at an interval of 0.5 second. I can just do it by just writing 0.5 here and press enter, and it's going to be executed at 0.5 second. You can see every 0.5 second. Okay, so this is how you can use watch command. So you can use this watch command with any command, or even with the script. It's going to execute that script repeatedly. Okay, so in the last video we have also seen the df command, which is disk free command, right? So we can also use this disk free command. You can just write df and then press enter, and it's going to execute this command repeatedly. Right now nothing is happening here because we are not downloading or uploading anything on our system or from our system. For example, if you download a big file, you will be able to see the used memory and available memory changing. So you can use it as a watch to watch what kind of memory is used, or you can think of any command which can be used repeatedly, and you can use this command with that command or script. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.